Govardhan then appeared in Shalmali Island as a son of Drona mountain. Very beautiful son of Drona mountain. And one day, Pulastha Rishi, Brahma's son, he came to Shalmali. And so he was so impressed seeing Govardhan. So while he was about to depart, that he asked Drona mountain, that, will you please offer your son to me? I'll take him to Kashi, Benares, where there is no mountain. So in this mountain I'll meditate on Lord Shiva. So a sage has asked for something, so the father couldn't say no, but at the same time his heart was breaking because his son was so dear to him. So he told Govardhan, the sage wants you to go. Govardhan said, fine, I'll go, but on one condition, that how is he going to carry me? Then Pulastha said, no, don't worry. I'll carry you with my mystic power in my hand. Okay, but you have to take me in one stretch. Because if you stop anywhere, I won't come there. So he said, fine. So he was carrying Govardhan. When they were flying over Vrindavan, Govardhan felt that now Krishna will come and he'll perform his pastimes. Who wants to go to this Kashi? So he increased his weight so much, Pulastha couldn't carry, as if he got some urge to pass. So just quickly he placed the mountain there and went. And then after taking his bath, when he came back, he tried to lift. So he said, what happened, my child? He said, look, we had a condition, wherever you drop me, I'm going to stay there. He said, oh, you tricked me in this way. Okay, I curse you that every day you will reduce by the size of a sesame seed. That's why Govardhan is. His size is decreasing, which was a huge mountain at one time. It's practically a small little hill. So this is how Govardhan came. Another interesting anecdote about Govardhan. When Ramchandra was building the bridge to Lanka, big monkeys were carrying mountain tops and big boulders to throw in the ocean. And when Hanuman came to Govardhan, he was about to lift Govardhan and take. The announcement came from the sky, the bridge is complete, there is no more need of any other material. So Govardhan felt so upset. I was about to be engaged in the service of the Lord, and now I have been deprived of that opportunity. So then there was an announcement, don't worry Govardhan. When the Lord will come in Dwapar Yuga, in the following Yuga, He will come and play at your hill, on you. And not only that, He will be engaged in His service, He'll be so dear to Him that He'll lift you with His own hand and hold you for 7 days. So that is the benediction he got because he couldn't be engaged in Lord Ramchandra's pastimes. Giriraj Govardhan ki Jai.